Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, B40HMZ. So, I'm not sure if you saw this online, but there's actually, it is video. Hang on a sec. Let me just move my camera out of the way and get this out of here. Well, you see, there was this video that was supposed to be called Cursed Locomotives Keeping Me Up at Night, and it was by by some kind of Burlington or Santa Fe Railroad fan. Here, let me show you. Right here. And I think since someone else did a video on look at cursed locomotive photos, I thought why not do the same. Alright, without I was wasting any more time, let's get down to work. Alright, starting off, we got a Western Pacific F unit. I don't know if Western Pacific is still out there or not, but if I'm honest with you guys, if this was one of the Western Pacific's most recent locomotives after the line went down or whatever happened, this would probably be one of their heritage units. And I don't know what type of locomotive this is, but this looks like some kind of Southern Pacific locomotive. It looks pretty sharp, no lie. But yeah, if it weren't for the fact that the photo quality, it was bad. Like if it wasn't in this bad, I'd be able to make out what else was in the photo. Okay. Okay, this is actually pretty interesting. It's a Metro GP7/9. This is actually pretty interesting. If Metro had switching locomotives, this would probably be one of them. This is actually pretty cool, no lie. I actually like it. Alright. What else do we have here? Oh, speaking of switching... what? This is just confusing. Let me just move the camera a bit real quick. I don't know whether to say if this is a GP7/9 or if this is an S1. This just looks really cursed. Okay, what else do we have here? Yeah, no. A Burlington Northern Santa Fe F unit. What the heck, bro? Alright, what else do we have here? Give me a second, guys. This might take me a few minutes. There we go. Okay, this actually looks pretty nifty. I don't see why this is so cursed. This actually looks like a pretty cool looking locomotive. If N Transit actually started making new locomotives, I hope this would be one of the few ones or types of locomotives that they probably make. This is just freaking awesome. Alright, what else do we have here? Okay, that looks like some kind of Jiva locomotive, if I'm correct. That looks like a sharp looking locomotive, but why is it with a freight train? I don't understand. That's just so freaking confusing. That looks like an ST-70 Mac. I can't quite tell what it says right here, but it probably says like Amtrak, I believe. This actually looks pretty cool. If I were to be working for Amtrak, I hope I get to operate one of these locomotives when they make them. This is just freaking awesome. I love it. Alright, what else do we have here? Come on. Sorry, but no. Okay, what else do we have here? This looks like something Canadian Pacific. Just saying. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a cursed photo or what. Hey, this actually looks like the Southern Pacific locomotive we saw like a few minutes ago with the same locomotive design. This time we actually got a better view of the locomotive structure without being so pixelated. It looks pretty nice. I just don't understand why it has the old scheme. But yeah, it's pretty nice though. I don't know whether to say if this is a FP40H or what. I'm not sure if it's even pulling a train or not. It just looks really weird, but it also looks pretty good at the same time, so I'm not gonna say too much stuff at it. Oh my god. Yeah, no. Okay, it looks like some kind of CSX charger locomotive. Why do people make it look like CSX is some kind of passenger train company? That just doesn't make any sense.
CSX actually does have a passenger company.
Dog, I'm making a video.
I know, I'm just figuring I'd rather clear up the fog in your head.
Okay. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. What's up with this Pacific paint scheme? It looks sort of like the failed merger of South Pacific and Santa Fe that I saw not like a while ago. But without the yellow, it has the orange. What? What is even happening here? Is that a Union Pacific locomotive with the Grand Trunk livery or name or logo? Whatever. It doesn't matter. That's just freaking weird. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh my god. Dude, what the frick? Alright, what else do we have here? Yeah, I think I'm gonna pretend I didn't just see that. Alright, what else? What other locomotives can we find here? I have no words to say about this. This looks kind of weird. Alright, I'm gonna do one more locomotive and I'm gonna sign off of the video. Yeah, that actually looks pretty nifty. It's some kind of Union Pacific locomotive with a rainbow paint scheme. That's actually pretty nifty. Alright guys, those are all the time I could do for all these weird, maybe good, and sometimes even cursed locomotive photos. Well, I'll see you around. Peace.